Well, hello everybody. It's Doug Rucker here with DougRuckerSchool.com and DougRuckerStore.com, along with my beautiful wife, Cathy.
Hi, everybody.
And we just wanted to come on and give you a quick little update about the hurricane. We are in Dallas right now. This was kind of a planned trip to come here this weekend, and but we left a couple days early. So thankful for my brother Dean, who gave you guys our initial video, I don't know, Monday or Tuesday. And that was great because I was just going crazy. I could not get in touch with anybody. I could not answer the phones. We could not reply to emails. And so I even tried recording a video and getting it somehow sent to Dean. I couldn't even do that. And so finally just had him do it. But anyway, we are doing great. Emma Grace was off with a friend of hers in San Antonio. Again, that was a planned trip to go down and see a lifelong friend of hers. And so we got power back at the store on Thursday of this week, I believe.
It was Wednesday evening.
Was it Wednesday? Mm-hmm. Yeah, Wednesday evening. And then Wi-Fi we got...
yesterday at the store.
Yeah, at the store. Well, we were using our neighbors.
Right.
Our neighbors got Wi-Fi on both sides, and so we were using theirs. So anyway, we're up and running. The power did go off again yesterday, but just for a couple of hours, and it was back on. But just want to let y'all know that we are back up and running as of last Thursday.
Yesterday.
Mm-hmm.
Sure.
So all the shipments have been caught up, and everything is out the door, except for orders that have been placed probably yesterday. And today we've seen orders come in as well. So just want to let y'all know that. And a big, big thank you
Yes.
to all of our customers. Go ahead.
Well, you guys have been patient. You guys have been understanding. Anybody that I've had an opportunity to talk with on the phone and explain things to, total understanding, which is a huge support to us. Because there was a bit of a stress level of, oh my gosh, these people have placed their orders. We don't know when they're going to go out. We hope it's not longer than a week, but we still don't have power at our home. And again, like the power went out at the store briefly. Things are just a little fluid, and it's making us uncomfortable for your sakes, but you guys have been great.
Yes, we want to thank you, big, huge thank you for the patience. Every single customer that we emailed. Cathy came to Dallas on Monday afternoon or Tuesday. So she was able to start contacting customers from here and just letting them know, hey, we've got a hurricane. And we were letting people know their shipments were going to be delayed or offer a refund to them if they could not wait, because we understand if sometimes you order stuff and you need it kind of quick. But, you know, every single customer said, no, take care of business, take care of what you got to do, ship it when you can. And we appreciate that very much. We appreciate the patience that everybody had. And we just want to thank y'all. And we just feel like we have the best customers in the world, because we've gone through trying times before in this business, COVID and some other things. And our customers have just always been awesome. And we appreciate that very much. I think I've been able finally yesterday and the day before, been able to finally return every phone call and every email that we needed to. And so if you haven't heard from us, then just send us another email, info@DougRuckerStore.com, and I promise you we will get back to you as soon as possible. The school we had to postpone, first time in 13 years. We had a school scheduled Monday and Tuesday, and we had to cancel the whole thing. But we're going to move that to the next month. For the guys that are registered, I've talked to all those guys, and again, they're willing to do whatever it takes. You know, everybody's just been so unreal. So we appreciate that. And thank y'all very much. Thank you for your many prayers, for your many text messages, and emails telling us y'all are praying for us. And then big shout out to my buddy Larry Millette. I mean, he just was constantly on me
Larry.
daily, to the minute. How's it going now? How's it going now? How's it going now? You know. So anyway, no, he's one of my best friends ever. Feels like a lifelong friend, but it's really only been about, I don't know, 10 or 12 years. But anyway, love Larry Millette to death. And Carol. So anyway, thank you guys very much. We appreciate y'all so much. And I'll be heading back hopefully early Monday morning. Our power at the house is supposed to be back on Monday. And then Cathy will come as soon as I confirm that the electricity is on and the air conditioning is working.
That's true.
So otherwise she'll sit right here and work from here, which is great. So anyway, thank you guys. Love you guys. Appreciate it very much. And y'all have a very, very blessed day.